and we are hearing good confirmation that the burn was as expected. If you're just joining us, Orion completed its return-powered flyby burn, which slingshot it around the moon and committed Orion to a return trajectory back to planet Earth, hearing that burn went smoothly and as expected. You are seeing a view on your screen of the lunar surface as well as Earth. For Orion, this is not a goodbye, but a see you later to the moon, our nearest celestial neighbor, as we begin to get our first glimpse of an Earthrise coming into frame. In this view, we see 8 billion human lives all existing upon our pale blue dot, our blue marble, our very own spaceship Earth. And after a long journey, Orion is now coming home. From this view, Orion is 1,277 miles above the lunar surface following its return-powered flyby burn, which sent it around the backside of the moon. Orion now has its sights set on home. Orion will splash down off the coast of California on December 11th. Wrapping up a 25-and-a-half-day mission.